welcome back to my channel. This week we are planning for the week of November 2nd to November 8th. I thought this week I'd mix it up a little bit, and I'm not doing a fall theme or a Thanksgiving theme. I decided to break out last year's homebody collection. I love this collection. I have not used these stickers enough. So this week we are using the Homebody Classic from last year's Happy Planner Girl line, as well as the little accessory book here. I did go through and pull some stickers already. Aren't they pretty? All right, so let's get started. I like to start at the sidebar and work my way over. I know you guys have heard me say this a few times now. So I pulled this out of the sticker book. I thought this was really cute. I think it's gonna work well. Nice. I think that looks good. I always use my sidebar for important things that I want to get done. Now, my thought that I think what I'm going to do is I pulled these wreaths. I think they're wreaths. Wreaths. It's kind of a hard word to say. Jeez. I pulled these wreaths out of here. I think it's going to look really cute. I'm going to go across the middle of the spread. And I like that these are lined. Typically these things are not lined and I never know what to do, but this is kind of nice. So I'm thinking we're gonna do one here. I'm not gonna push it all the way down yet because I want to work them so that they're slightly overlapping each other. And I think we're going to be able to fit 3 on each page. I'm going to have to punch my pages because I'm going right over the punch marks. Oh, and don't mind my domestic wound here. My stove attacked me. Wasn't a good scene. All right, so if I fit 3 in here, no, I think the left side here is a little too packed. I like this one here. We're going to leave that. This one we're going to go over this box slightly. And what I'm going to do is actually, come on, don't rip. Okay, good. I'm going to put my pages together and go right across the middle. And then I'll cut the middle here and punch it. Okay. I was thinking too, these little wreaths would be really cute. You could take a red marker for the holidays and draw in a little bow or some little red, you know, balls to make it look Christmassy. But it's not Christmas. We did just have our first snow though, which was kind of a bummer. because that means it's coming. Oh, that looks cute. I love the colors. So next week on Monday the 2nd, I'm starting back on my Weight Watchers journey. I had started Weight Watchers back in June, and I was doing really well. I lost 20 pounds, and I was working out, and I was just feeling amazing. And then in September, we had our anniversary, and oh, I completely did not get that straight. Oh man. So we had our anniversary and we went out to dinner, and I have not been able to get back on track since. So it's been a month. So it's time for me to get off my ass and get back to it. So I wanted the spread to be how in the hell do I line these up? I have not done well with this punch today. All right. I think that looks lined up. Oh, well, I did better on this side than I did on the other side. Okay, that's cute. So I wanted this spread to be warm and comfy. If comfy is a vibe, right? I think comfy is a vibe. So I just want it to be relaxing, and I'm hoping that when I look at my planner, I'm just motivated to stay on track with not eating like shit every day. All aboard the struggle bus, right? All right, so I love that. I think it's really, really cute. So I pulled this weekend sticker. The colors match nicely. And I think I'm gonna put that right here. That looks good. All right. So in the wellness planning book, which I haven't used very much of, the colors are great though, and they fit kind of this color scheme I've gone with. They had a this week's habit, so I'm going to put that here. And my habit will be to stick to the Weight Watchers plan every day. And then I pulled this one out of the Homebody book. It says less Monday, more weekends. I thought that was kind of perfect for this box here. And then a little motivational quote for midweek. You are capable of amazing things. So I'm going to put that here. Is that crooked? I don't think it's crooked. Okay. All right. So I did pull some of these boxes out. I'm going to use these to mark appointments that I have. So Wednesday. And Thursday. And then on this one, I'm just gonna layer these because I like the pop of yellow that it brings. And I love this sticker. It says Slow Sunday with a little heart in the Y. And it's so cute. I was thinking here. Yeah, definitely here. You can do so much with these. You could do like a daily task. Sometimes I challenge myself to get one task done around my house every day, and this would be perfect for that. Or like a daily little memory. Daily grateful, you know, a little daily gratitude. So much you can do with these. Of course, I pulled a little coffee first, and I thought we would put that here. So I pulled some of these little arrows, and I was thinking I could use them for to-do lists, but now that I'm seeing it, I don't really love it. And you know I have to have some to-do lists, because without to-do lists, I am lost. All right, let's look through the Home Buddy book for a to-do list. So this Home Buddy book is sized for the dashboard layout. So the stickers don't fit perfectly in this book. I mean, in this planner. I also, because I did 2 quotes already, I don't want to do any more quotes. All right, so what I'm going to do is find some to-do lists. I'm thinking maybe bullet points would work. My book of random stickers that I love so very much. It's basically where random sheets go to live. Actually, that color right there, that works nice. Let's do that. So I think on Friday the 6th, we're actually probably going to be going to Boston. My husband has to go down there to go to work. And I think I'm going to go with him. So let's put up one of these boxes there. No, that looks stupid. This is cute. Well, I did yellow down there, so let's do... I love going to Boston. We haven't really traveled we haven't gone anywhere since COVID. So I'm kind of excited to just go to Boston. We're not going to do anything except for go to my husband's office there, but it'll still be nice to go. I'm going to put one. No, I'm not. So yeah, it'll be nice to at least go out of town for a couple hours. I don't live terribly far from Boston, maybe like an hour, so it's not too bad. lot of bullets. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it. I don't know if I like these. I'm wondering if I should stencil some bullet points on there. Do something like black pen. All right, let's pull Sunday off. I'll do it on Sunday. If it looks like shit, I'll white it out. Let's do that. Oh, that bled through my paper. I better stop while I'm ahead. I think I need to stop. This is getting out of control. Okay. All right. We're using stickers. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover those up. You guys must watch these videos and be like, this girl is a shit show. And it's true. I totally am. But you know what? We're having fun. Okay. All right, I say we call it. It's late on Friday night. I'm very behind on filming this. I'm a little tired, and this is next week's spread. I don't love it. It was supposed to be motivating because I'm starting back on my diet, but I think my mind's like, oh, you should frig it up so that you frig up your diet, but I'm not gonna let that happen. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it's such a mess. If you're not subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. If anything, I'm honest, all right, folks? Look me up on Instagram. It's @SergeantPlans. Thanks.